There's nothing quite like that first sip of coffee to kickstart your day. And the Breville Grind Control will quickly become your new best friend. With a built-in grinder and calibration mode, it's simple to make the perfect cup, just the way you like it. But first, let's show you how to get your machine up and running. Lay the box on its side and use the flap to slide the machine out, which may require a bit of effort as it's a tight fit. You'll find all your accessories inside the machine, which you'll need shortly, so keep them close. To begin, we'll wipe down the exterior stainless steel housing with a soft, damp cloth, and next, the bean hopper and lid. Wash the accessories, including the coffee basket, gold tone filter, and carafe, in warm, soapy water with a soft cloth or brush. Then it's a quick rinse and dry. Press the carafe drip stop to ensure it moves freely. Pop on the hopper lid, rotate the turn lock, and plug in the cord to a power outlet. Then you should see the LCD illuminate. Perfect. Now, to install the coffee basket. Line the coffee basket with the provided gold tone filter or a paper basket filter. Don't use them together. So let's just use the gold filter. With this filter, you'll need to ensure that the handle is positioned towards the hinge area of the coffee basket, like this. Otherwise, the handle could interfere with the flow of ground coffee going into the filter. Close the coffee basket lid. Press the open button to open the swing out door, if it's not already. Next, we'll attach the coffee basket to the door and ensure the hinge area of the coffee basket is firmly seated in its most downward position on the two door hooks. Close the door until it clicks shut. In the mood for coffee yet? We're not far off. Place the machine in a well-ventilated space with a 3-inch gap between it and the wall behind it. Your empty coffee basket and carafe should already be in place. So let's fill the water tank with cold and preferably filtered water, never distilled or highly mineralized water. Press the flip-top lid to open and pour in the water using a jug or the carafe provided. The LCD screen will show the amount of water in the tank as it is filled. The machine will beep when full, and the water float will rise to indicate the maximum level is reached. Do not exceed the 12-cup maximum, as it could cause the carafe to overflow or water spillage in the back of the machine. As this is your first use setup, we recommend flushing the machine to remove any dust particles or residue from the manufacturing process. Start by selecting 12 cups and the pre-ground coffee setting, ensuring you do not add any coffee to the coffee basket. Once the cycle is complete, discard the water from the carafe and repeat the cycle again for best results. The machine is now ready to use. After discarding the water, you'll need to lock the carafe lid. Simply align the arrow on the lid with the lock arrow on the carafe. Turn it clockwise, and both arrows should align with each other, like this. Now your carafe is ready for brewing and pouring, so insert it back into position under the drip stop outlet. Now for the beans. Fill the hopper with 0.5 ounces of fresh coffee beans for superior coffee taste. We also recommend keeping the hopper full to ensure there are sufficient beans for grinding. However, don't overpack the hopper, as this could cause the grinder to jam. To select carafe mode, press the Cup Carafe button. The LCD screen will display a carafe symbol and the number of cups selected. Rotate the Cup Carafe dial to select the number of cups you wish to brew. To begin the brew cycle, press the Start Cancel button. The grinder will start grinding the correct amount of coffee for the selected brew size and strength. If, however, you're using the pre-ground coffee setting, the grinder will be disabled. The countdown timer will begin, and the LCD screen will display preheating as it heats the water to the optimal temperature. Once that's done, the LCD will display brewing as the coffee is dispensed into the carafe. If you want to stop the cycle at any time, just press the Start Cancel button and you'll hear an operating noise, which indicates the machine is slowing down. You can also use the Brew Pause feature, which temporarily ceases the flow of coffee when the carafe is removed, so a cup can be poured mid-brew. But don't remove the carafe for more than 20 seconds, or the coffee may overflow from the coffee basket. Once the brewing cycle is complete, the ready signal will sound. The coffee machine will automatically stop brewing, and the LCD screen will flash Empty Coffee Filter as a handy reminder to remove the coffee basket and discard the used grind. Press to open the swing door. Remove the coffee basket and rinse the chute area thoroughly. Before returning it back to the machine, ensure it's dried thoroughly. It's also a good idea to check the coffee grind chute disc for any coffee grind buildup, which affects the performance of the machine. Simply wipe the disc clean with a damp cloth and dry it thoroughly. And now, all you have to do is pour yourself that perfect cup of coffee. And because the carafe will automatically open to dispense your brew, there's no need to adjust the lid. And after 5 minutes of no use, the LCD will dim. There you have it, the Breville Grind Control, a combination grinder and brewer that suits any palate. To learn more about what makes your perfect brew, head to Breville.com.